We're approaching na center of Naha. Ito na yung kanila. The urban center of Okinawa. Just kan pa.
Nishihara City.
Ishihara pa siya. Going straight pa kami. Ishihara pa pala siya. Hindi pa ito na ha? Ishihara, baka tabi lang na Naha. Because we're 14 kilometers. Ishihara City. Oops. It's yellow, red. Okay. So, what's your impression about Ishihara?
Nice.
Huh? So, what's the best location in Okinawa so far?
The island of Miyagi.
Okay, turn out
Yeah.
the least last minute na destination.
Yep. I'd like to go back there.
Packed with a lot of mga
What we can do from Naha, we can just go to Oruma Hills. Then go to the islands.
from Oruma pala, malapit na no?
Yeah.
Kasi Miyagi is part of Oruma.
Yeah.
Kasi going north, very limited naman yung mapa nila doon, no?
That's
It's really nature.
yeah.
Okay, first time na, mas maraming Lawson dito. Ito may 7-Eleven
to.
na. Okay.